y'all, y'all can tell. It is dark. We are in Arkansas. We're between Corning and Pocahontas right now. Yep. As y'all can tell, we ain't got no headlights. We don't care we're outlaws. What is up, y'all? This ain't another square body video. Get back in focus here. This video y'all about to watch, we went up to Indiana to get my buddy's dump truck that he bought off the internet. Didn't know nothing about it really. And y'all just have to see if it makes the trip 439, 441 miles, something like that back home. Y'all just have to watch and see. But it's a good one, y'all. There's gonna be probably more videos on this dump truck. I think he's gonna completely redo it. I'm probably gonna help him. I mean, all new tires, brakes, probably new paint, everything. So, with that being said, y'all, get into the video. Hope y'all give it a big thumbs up. All that good stuff. Gonna be a lot more to come. Yeah, y'all do it. Yeah, I'm working on her today. You know, tweaking on it a little bit. Got something still popping. Got to figure out what it is. Well, let's get to this dump truck footage. Yep. It's a never-ending love right here. Good morning, y'all. We are taking a trip. Going up to Indiana, pick up a dump truck that was bought sight unseen. Will it make the journey back home to 439 miles? We'll find out. All right, y'all, we have made it to Illinois. On our way up here to pick this old dump truck up. Can't wait for y'all to see this fine specimen of automobile. Stopped here at Wendy's and got some drinks. Thank you. Pull up out of the way here now. I got some food actually. Well, I'll see y'all on down the road. What's up, y'all? Made it to Indiana. This is her right here, 1994 International. Big old floater tires on it. 18,000 pound front axle, 46,000 rears pusher. We gotta get that pusher chained up. And 14 tons of 8 LL. Let's get her fired up and get her going down the road. It's cold up here, y'all. Oh, y'all. Got Bubba under there checking the front rear end. I done checked the rear. Full of fluid, good to go. Full of gear oil. Low tire there, we got to fix. One on the other side. We're gonna be good to go here in a minute. Got her jumping off. Here it's old Cummins purr. Whoo, y'all, it's cold out there. Had to get the truck get warmed up. We got 439 miles to go with this old rig. What do you think, son? Is it gonna make it? You know, got our faith. Oh, there she goes. First start, he got her cranked. Taking her out of the shop, pick it up a little bit. Had our tires up on this old girl. Should have cleaned that windshield off. Said we was gonna do that, we didn't. We'll see if this thing will make it over 400 miles back to Arkansas from Indiana. Well, y'all. We just are rolling on down the road, ain't that right, snowman? Yeah. Oh, 8 speed, it's a getting it. Whoa, easy car. What's the speed, son? About 80, 85? 51? Oh, okay, 51. Yep. It feels like 80, 85. Oh, y'all enjoy the ride. All right, y'all. Thing act like it took off the highway. It did.
so good, y'all. We're still over here in Indiana, about to cross the line, though. Ooh, boy. It's clocking on about 60, 65. 40 pounds oil pressure. No speedometer. And the alternator is iffy at best. Sometimes it'll jump up, sometimes it'll fall down. I don't know. We'll find out. Well, we got about 6 more hours to go. So we're just gonna get on down the road here. You ready to drive yet, son? No? Okay. Oh, see y'all in a minute. We'll cross this state line. There, bud. Already got it before to get the Illinois sign. Well, y'all, we're about to cross the state line. Oh, boy. So far, so good. Look at that river down there. Beautiful river. Look at it. Just look at it. Illinois state line, y'all. We're still just getting. Still got a long ways to go, though. 354 miles. Hey, look, White County. That's the county we live in. See y'all in a minute. Now, guys, we get some rock hauled down there at the shop. Get that driveway built, parking lot built out front. I've been cleaning up down there. So far, we're holding pretty steady, 60, 65, somewhere there. Doing good. Doing good. Bubba said he's getting mighty hungry, though. So am I, big fruit. This old thing might need a little break. Alright, y'all. Stop here at the Loves over here somewhere in Illinois. I'm not even sure where we're at. There's the old truck sitting out here. Had to get some fuel. Got her filled up. Let's get on down the road here. Let's do it to it. You driving? You don't want to drive? Alright, I guess I'll keep driving. Ooh, y'all, hang on. Oh, yeah. Oh! Asking stupid questions. Bro, ain't no doubt. So the people, what's it sound like, son? That button right there, what I did. Oh, window down. Oh, the people, what it sounds like. I want this truck here down. Roll window down. We're in 14, sounds good, y'all. Where's he going? What is your doing? Arkansas. As y'all can tell, we ain't got no headlight. We don't. Well, y'all, I know it's dark. I'll let y'all look at this light here. But we have made it home. 900 mile round trip, 450 miles on this thing. Sent for over 2 years, and we made it home. I gotta get turned in here.
Yeah, y'all, you made it this far in the video. I appreciate y'all watching. Hope you got some enjoyment out of it. But the headlight thing, we did have one headlight. And the weigh station, before anybody starts crying or calling DOT, we don't have to stop at the weigh station. It's an out-powered truck. And we're delivering it home, getting it home. And it's just private use truck. Don't have to stop. So, there y'all go on that. Hope everybody had a good time watching the video. I'm getting back to work on her. Yeah. See y'all later.